Today, I'm dropping $12,000 a month worth of KDP coloring niches with low competition that you can start publishing in right now. So if you're scrolling through YouTube video after video looking for your next big niche idea that can explode in sales, you're in the right place. And I'm not just naming random keywords, I'm showing proof, sellers, rankings, and exactly why these niches are working today. On top of that, I'm going to show you one niche that's almost completely untapped, yet is hiding in plain sight on Amazon right now. You see, I've spent hours upon hours of research cross-checking BSRs, diving into low competition gaps, and reverse engineering sellers doing $400 to $700 per day from single books. And what I found out is that if you're still making generic coloring books, you're missing the mark. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first of these coloring niches is called the Cat Moments Coloring Book. Now, the first thing that you're going to notice is total results, 374. So if you know with my past videos, I like to look for search results that have about 1,000 or less. Basically, it tells me that the competition is going to be lower. You're going to have a better chance at getting your book ranked here on the first page of Amazon, where the majority of sales happen. So 374 is quite low. That is a good sign. And I also look for a niche score right here of at least 50. So with Titan's Quick View, we see 54. So that's also a good sign. And if we just look through the actual first page here of this niche, we're going to see this book right here is called Cat Moments, Meow Life in Coloring Book for Adults and Teens. And we can see this one is ranked at 1,039. So a very low BSR for a book that just recently was published. If we keep scrolling down, we're going to get to this book right here called Cat Moments. As we can see, publisher independently published, meaning it was published by a person like you and I that's just independently publishing books to KDP. Bestsellers rank 286,000. And what I look for is a bestsellers rank of 300,000 and below. And I'm looking for 3 of these books. Now this one right here, Perfect Moments, ranked at 32,000, a very, very good performing BSR. And then another one right here called Cat Life, Serenity in Fur, ranked at 151,000. Now, if we actually take a look at this book called Naughty Cats, Catitude Coloring Book for Adults and Teens, this one has a bestsellers rank of 3,373, so very low, 4.7 out of 5 rating, 5 stars overall. And if I just look through some of these pages right here, this one has 40 coloring pages. On the back cover, we can see 7 pages of the interior. So a good way to get some ideas here. The A+ content section has even more images of the interior. Some are colored in right here. And then here are some more of those interiors. Now, I did do a video on how to outsource the entire KDP coloring book process using Fiverr. So if you want to watch that, I'll leave a banner right on top of this video right now for you to go ahead and check out. But let's go ahead and take that BSR, plug it into this book sales calculator, and we're going to see an estimated book sales of 1,800 per month. And if we go ahead and go to Amazon KDP's royalty calculator, once we put in all of the details here, 8.5 by 8.5 inches, 88 page count, $9.99, we submit that, we get an estimated royalty on the Amazon.com marketplace where most of your sales are going to happen of $3.15. So if we take our calculator, put $3.15, multiply that by the 1,800 sales per month estimated, that's $5,670 generated by this book in book royalties every single month. Now, the next coloring niche we have is called the Farm Animals Coloring Book. This one we can see right away niche score really, really high at 71. The average bestsellers rank 334,000. And if we scroll down, we're going to see this coloring book, 12,000 BSR. This one is 131,000 BSR. This one's 308,000. We see this Farm Animals Coloring Book over here, 187,000. This one is 143,000, 176,000. So a lot of books here selling very well on the first page. And if we go up here, we see the total results, 2,354. Now, for such a generic niche, that's actually not that bad. However, if you want to niche down a little bit further, have a better chance at getting on the first page of Amazon, Go ahead and use this, the Farm Animals Coloring Book for Kids. Total results a little bit lower at 1,582. So you're gonna have a better chance at getting your book seen here on the first page. And a lot of these books are gonna be very similar. Now, if we take a look at this book, this one's titled Farm and Friends Coloring Book, ranked at 25,000. And it's a #1 new release, as we can see right here. This one's a very, very short book, total length 54 pages. So this is really only gonna have about 20 to 25 coloring images, but it's still priced at $9.99. And if we look at the sample, the only thing that we can see is really the back cover. And here are 4 interiors of the back cover. As you can see, very generic, very simple. A lot of books look exactly like this. You can actually make this using AI. And if you want to know my favorite AI tool to create coloring books, I'll put the link down in the description below. Now, looking at that bestsellers rank, we can see an estimated book sales of about 330 units per month. If we look at the royalty calculator right here, put in that 54 page count, $9.99 list price with that trim size of 8.5 by 8.5, submit that estimated royalty, $3.15. So if we go ahead and put that into the calculator and multiply that by 330 units per month, we're gonna get over $1,000 per month in book royalties coming from this #1 new release in the Farm Animals Coloring Book for Kids niche. The next niche that we have is called the Bold and Easy Camping Coloring Book. The first thing that we see is total results of 493, so quite low, but not too low that there's no demand for this book. We see a niche score of 56, above that 50 that I look for. And the first book we see right here called Camp Vibes, Bold and Easy Coloring Book, ranked at 28,000. If we look at the next book, this one's ranked a little bit higher at 1 million, but we go to the one right next to that, Let's Go Camping, ranked at 53,000. We also have this one called Mountain and Lake Retreat, ranked at 16,944. And then Summer Camp right here, ranked at 143,000. Now, if we take a look at the Mountain and Lake Retreat Bold and Easy Coloring Book, this one has a bestsellers rank of 16,944. And this one has 50 illustrations inside, so about 104 pages. This is gonna be your typical bold and easy coloring book size of 8.5 by 8.5 inches. This one's priced at $9.99. And if we go to the A+ content, we can see exactly what the interiors are for this book. So at a first glance, it looks like it was AI art generated, which is a good sign because it means that you can create these type of images fairly quickly. As you can see, there are some signs here that it was AI art generated, especially right here on the bottom right corner. And then kind of these areas right here where you can actually clean this up and make this look a little bit better. So there's a lot of opportunity here for you to create a book that's a little bit better than this. Now, when we plug that bestsellers rank into the book sales calculator, we get about 480 estimated book sales per month. And going to Amazon KDP's royalty calculator, we can see that the estimated royalty is $3.15. So if we go ahead and plug that into the calculator, $3.15, multiply that by the 480 book sales per month, this book is generating about $1,500 per month in book royalties. Now, the next niche that we have is called the Bible Verse Coloring Book. First thing that you see, niche score very high at 70, and the average bestsellers rank of 129,000, so very, very low. We have this Bible Verses Cheerful Heart Coloring Book, ranked at 30,000. The one right next to it ranked at 45,000. This one right here ranked at 87,000. And then this Minimalist Bible Verse Coloring Book ranked at 56,000. We also have this Bible Coloring Book for Women, ranked at 178,000. And then this Bible Verse Coloring Book for Girls, ranked at 7,442. Now, if we look at the total results, it's over 2,000. So a little bit competitive for this specific niche, the specific keyword, but you can go ahead and use this one. This is called the Bible Verse Coloring Book for Kids. So this one is geared towards kids instead of a more generic Bible Verse Coloring Book. Still very high niche score, However, total results dropped down 878, still very low bestsellers rank. And you're going to see similar books to the previous niche. However, these ones are really going to be geared towards kids. Now let's take a look at this book. This one is called A Coloring and Activity Book for Girls. God Made Me Special, 30 pages of Bible verses and Christian images for kids to color. So only 71 pages total, very short book. However, it is priced at $9.99. So the royalties are still really, really good with this book. 8.5 by 11 inches and almost a 5-star rating, where 89% is a 5-star. So a lot of elements here, and then a phrase in the middle, and then the Bible verse on the bottom here. Another one right here, a lot of elements, and then another one right here. Same kind of pattern, and another one right here. So we can see very similar patterns, a lot of elements in the background, a saying in the middle, and then a Bible verse on the bottom. Now, if we take a look at the bestsellers rank, it's going to be an estimated book sales of 630 units per month. And looking at that royalty calculator, that's going to be $3.15 per royalty. So if we take our calculator, $3.15, multiply that by the 630 units per month, and this one is going to be almost $2,000 per month in book royalties. Now, the next niche that we have is called the Swearing Cats Coloring Book. Total results pretty low, 269, and niche score 51. And if we look at some of these books, we can see this one, Swearing Cats Catitude Coloring Book, ranked at 23,000. The book right next to it, 31,000. The one right after that, 55,000. And the one right after that, 37,000. And even the one right after that, 136,000. And if we go to the next row, 69,000, 142,000, 300,000, 176,000, 289,000. And so a lot of good selling books here. Likewise, you can do something very similar, but a little bit different, called the Cussing Cats Coloring Book. Now, the total results is even lower at 102. The bestsellers rank is a little bit better than the previous niche. Niche score 56, a little bit higher. And for this niche, the Swearing Cats Coloring Book will still show up, but you're also going to see these books like this, Cussing Cats Swear Word Coloring Book. This one's ranked at 12,000, and we have another one right here ranked at 400,000, and then another one right here ranked at 33,000. Now, if we take a look at this book, the Cussing Cats Bold and Easy Swear Word Coloring Book for Adults and Teens, featuring funny designs, cute cats, and cozy moments. A lot of words there, funny adult coloring book. However, the ranking is very good, 14,224. This one, like all bold and easy coloring books, seems to have about 40 coloring pages. Very short book, 92 pages overall, this one. 8.5 by 8.5 inches, all very standard. $9.99, which is what I see the trend is coming to with these coloring books and activity books. It's being priced at $9.99 and not a cent lower. And I'm going to show you exactly why. And we have a very similar theme. So all the cats look very similar from each other, and just a very good book. Very thick lines. This is exactly what you want to create when you're creating a bold and easy type coloring book. Now, if we look at that bestsellers rank, that's about 570 estimated book sales per month. And if we go to the royalty calculator, we plug that in, 92 pages, $9.99, 8.5 by 8.5 inches. We get $3.15. Now, the reason why you don't want to price it lower than $9.99 is because if you go $9.98 and submit that, you're going to see the royalties get slashed a full dollar. It is going to be $2.15 for $9.98. So for the books that you used to price at $7.99, look at the royalties now, $1.16, because that has to do with the new Amazon pricing change that they just recently implemented, where you see here it's a 50% royalty rate for any books priced lower than $9.99. So what you want to do is you want to think about pricing your coloring books, your activity books, starting at $9.99. Now let's take that royalty, $3.15 per book, multiply that by the estimated book sales of 570, and that's going to give you $1,795 per month in book royalties from one single book. Now, if we go ahead and take all of our niches that we worked on today and added that all up, 195 for the niches, 1512, 1039, and then 5760. We're going to get over $12,000 per month in monthly book royalties. This is net profit after everything is paid out from all of the niches that we talked about today. So now you've seen the proof, $12,000 plus a month in real niches, real books, real sellers, and the wildest part, most of them aren't even trying that hard. They're just in the right niche at the right time with the right strategy. So now it's on you. And if you're serious about making this work, and I mean actually turning KDP into something real, I put together a free resource called the KDP Royalty Roadmap. It's the exact framework that I use to go from trial and error to over 6 figures in royalties, and it walks you through how to publish low and medium content books step by step with no guesswork. You're gonna find the link in the description down below. And hey, if this video helped even a little bit, do me a little bit of a favor, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with my latest videos. Also drop a comment letting me know which niche caught your attention the most. With that being said, thanks for watching, bye for now.